How would you like to be able to get better rankings? Whether it's a niche site, an Amazon store, affiliate sites, or maybe even a YouTube video, how would you like to get them ranked higher and in less than 48 hours from now, get free, targeted buyer traffic? Well, if that sounds of interest to you, stay tuned because you're going to absolutely love today's marketplace deal. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JV Zoo team, and today we're incredibly excited to get to share with you DFY Suite 3.0. Now, Done For You Suite 3.0 is, as it sounds, the third generation of an incredible social syndication platform that really helps you get rankings. Now, like I mentioned at the start of this video, you can do it for any site you want. You want to build an affiliate site, maybe to promote products here at JV Zoo. Perhaps you've got YouTube videos and you want to help get them into more viewers' eyes. You want to expand your reach. You want to gain customers, sales, profits. Then social syndication is a great tool to use. Now, if you bought DFY Suite 1 or DFY Suite 2, then you know that it's a credit-based system. So even if you've got those platforms, picking up DFY Suite 3.0 at this very special launch discount is going to be the cheapest way to buy credits. They always have these incredible offers when they launch their brand new platforms, and getting credits right now is going to be the cheapest way possible. So if you have version 1 or version 2, you still want to pay attention to this video. Now, in just a moment, we're going to go over and catch up with Joshua Zamora, who is the product creator. And he's going to run us through all of the things that are different in version 3.0 and exactly how easy this system has now become. Because honestly, guys, social syndication has always been kind of challenging. You've needed your own social media accounts. You've needed so many different things. But thanks to DFY Suite 3.0, all of that is taken care of. You don't need to create your own accounts. You actually don't need to do anything. All you need to do is share the link to either the web page or the YouTube video that you want to rank, select how many places you want it to be in and how quickly you want them to deliver the campaign, and then sit back, relax, and the software will do everything else for you. Now, this isn't just some random tool that claims to do something a little black hat, maybe even grey hat, something that's not entirely legal. This is not one of those platforms. Social syndication has been around for years, and it's a complete white hat method to help get rankings. You see, Google, Bing, YouTube, all of these search engines, and yeah, YouTube is a search engine. All of these search engines look at several different ranking factors when deciding which pages, which videos to put towards the top of the list. Now, some of that depends on keywords. It depends on what the customer's actually searching for to try and get the best match. But one very important criteria that these big networks look at is links. It's social markers. Where is this content being shared? Is it popular? Are we seeing it pop up in various different places? Because that is a strong indication to these networks that it's great content. It's content that they need to share. So let's go over to Josh. Let's have a quick look inside this software and see all of what's new for version 3. Over to you, Josh.
Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a very quick video to talk to you specifically about what is new in Done For You Suite 3.0. Okay, and we have about 7 to 8 major updates. So I'm going to quickly walk you through all of this in this video. And I'm also going to post exactly what those updates are below this video if you prefer to read the information instead. So the first major update that we have done is pretty much we have 5x'd the size of our network. We've 5x'd the authority, which means we've 5x'd our ranking power. Okay, when we first released version 1.0 back in 2018, we started off with a network of about 250 different sites. And right now, as I'm in here inside of Done For You Suite, you can see we are at now 1,000 different sites. Now, this isn't live just yet. We only have about 600 sites live for all of 2.0 members right now. But as soon as we open up 3.0, all of 1,000 sites will be available to our members, okay? And you can see we are fully transparent in what we offer. We are the premier service for Done For You rankings in the entire JVZoo platform. And you can see we have nothing to hide. This is exactly what our network contains. And you can see we have real authority built into our network, which is why and how we're able to provide our members with such great results. Okay, so when you come over here to campaigns and you click create campaign, you're going to come to this page here. And this is another big upgrade that we've done is we've pretty much simplified the way that you submit your campaigns. We've broken it down into a simple 3-step process so that everything is a lot easier and a lot faster for you to submit your campaigns. So now it's literally just fill out these 3 steps, confirm, and you're good to go. I'm going to go ahead and just skip over to the settings tab real quick so I can show you how this has changed, which is part of the size of our network. So now when you come in here, you'll be able to submit up to 1,000 different links. If you do, you'll be able to get up to 1,000 different links per URL that you submit to Done For You Suite. Right now, you can see, as I mentioned, we do have only 600 live, but as soon as 3.0 goes live, this is going to be able to be extended up to 1,000 different Done For You social syndication links that we will do for every URL that you submit. So it doesn't matter if it's a YouTube video, a niche site, a client site, an Amazon listing, an e-commerce site, whatever it is that you're wanting to get traffic to and get ranked on Google or YouTube, you'll be able to submit it here and drag this over to get 1,000 different links to your URL that you submit. If you purchase just the agency license, then you will be able to get up to 300 links to whichever URL you submit. All right, so that is our big update number 1. We've pretty much 5x'd the size of our network from 250 different sites to up to 1,000 different sites, okay? And also, you'll now be able to get as high as 300 300 links per URL that you submit. Or if you pick up our upgrade offer, you'll be able to extend that up to 1,000, okay? And our biggest update number 2 is that now we can provide Done For You rankings on a global level with worldwide language support. So when you come here to the first option, you'll be able to submit URLs and content and pretty much keywords in any language you can think of. And on the back end of Done For You Suite, we have added pretty much every language in the world so that we support everything. And when you come here to the content area as well, okay, you'll be able to submit any language you can think of in here as well, so that we can provide Done For You rankings in any language you can think of, okay? And obviously, if you turn that off, we will do your content generation for you. All right, so now Done For You Suite has opened up our premier service to a worldwide level for any language you can think of, okay? And this is one of the biggest requests that we got from our users. And we listened and we now have delivered in version 3.0. All right. Our third biggest update is the fact that we have totally revamped our server setup as well to include IPs from all over the world so that we could truly supercharge our newly worldwide ranking power, okay? So we didn't want to just open this up to a worldwide level and not have the proper server setup to support that. So we have also taken that a step further and not only providing worldwide support, but now also expanded and revamped our server setup on the back end to include IPs from all over the world. All right, so that helps to solidify us as the premier Done For You ranking service for a global level. All right. Another thing that we have done is we have totally revamped our content generation system as well. And it's not live as I'm filming this video, but we have also integrated my Create platform in here, which is an artificially intelligent content creation platform, so that every campaign that you submit into Done For You Suite will come along with unique artificially intelligent content, which will give your campaigns an even bigger boost, because now that content is truly unique, and it will also obviously be congruent to the campaign that you submit. Okay, so we have, again, totally revamped our content engine once again, because this is the second time we do it, and now we've added artificial intelligence as well, and we will be having both options. So if you want to just use our standard content generation platform, you'll be able to do that. If you want to submit your own content and obviously support any language that you want, you'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to have Create perform your content for you as well. All right, and also when it comes to our platforms, okay, so when we are here in the settings tab, not only have we 5x the size of our network, we have now tripled the platforms that we support as well. So before, when we started, we were strictly doing social syndication and wiki links. And then we added blogging and Web 2.0 support as well. And now in version 3.0, we have added our own private blog network into the system as well. So now you can get up to 5 different variations of links to your URLs, which gives you a much better link profile, which gives you obviously much better results. So now you can get social links, wiki links, blogging links, Web 2.0 links, and our private blog network links in there as well, to really give you that solid knockout punching power. And on top of that, like I've already mentioned previously, we have published our entire network information here on the left-hand side, like I showed you, so that we can be fully transparent with our customers, and you can see exactly what type of authority we have built into Done For You Suite. And obviously this number is going to continue to grow. For those people who do pick up our upgrade offer, you will always have access to all the new sites that we offer. And yeah, this, we wanted to make sure that we are fully transparent, because obviously this is a Done For You service. So people do want to ensure that we are providing a great service. So we wanted to be fully transparent, and that's why we posted our network info here inside of the members area. And of course, just like in version 2.0, we had a huge bonus that we offered on that launch, which was automatic YouTube video embedding. And we are providing that for you in version 3.0 as well. But we are taking it a step further as well, and soon we will be adding Vimeo embedding support in here as well. So now we are taking our automatic video embedding feature to the next level, and having both YouTube and Vimeo added in here. And we will be giving that to you guys in version 3.0 as well. All right, so those are the biggest updates that we are providing in version 3.0. So, we're excited to have this out there, and we're excited to have you on board. So now Done For You Suite is the premier Done For You rankings platform out there for any language and for any location worldwide. We have 5 times the amount of sites in our network, which pretty much gives us 5 times the amount of ranking power. You'll be able to get a lot more links per URL that you submit. All of your campaigns will be going along with artificially intelligent content, and much, much more. So again, make sure you go below this video, check out all of the updates that we have posted below this video as well, since we may even add a couple more before we actually go live. So yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the members area.
Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed that demo video there, and you've got a great idea of how DFY Suite 3.0 is going to completely change your ranking game. Now, like I mentioned, regardless of what your site is, what your niche site is, if you want to rank videos, you want to rank content, you want to rank a store, an e-com store, you can do that with DFY Suite 3.0. So as always, full information is going to be down below this video, so I encourage you to go down there, check out all the information and secure your credits at the lowest possible price. Now of course you're going to be able to purchase credits in the future, but they will never be offered at this price point. So take a look around. If you're new around here, like, subscribe, stay tuned, we have more content coming for you, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.